So as you can see, we've successfully added 2000 naira to our ads account. What that means is that we can now run ads. So right here is showing us to immediately set up a campaign. I talked about different objectives for your campaign, and you can see them there. This is awareness, online traffic, messaging and engagement, leads, online sales, more people using your app, right? But we are not going to create a campaign right now, so we're just going to go back. You can see we already have the funds here. It's when they took 1 naira for charge, 0.1 naira for charge. That's why we have 1999.99. Okay, so we can just click one of these to leave this page so that we'll go to the ads manager dashboard. Okay, so yes, this is the ads manager dashboard. This is where we're about creating an ad board. Once you get here, just click on exit. So I'll show you a lot of stuff. So we're going to come into this much later when we are going to detailed practical on creating the ads. But I'm going to navigate the ads manager dashboard to show you how it works. So this is the ads manager dashboard. This is just the campaign we automatically tried creating just now, but we did not complete, right? So you can delete this. If you click here, you come here to edit, come here to more, you're going to see delete. So let's just delete this first so we don't get confused. So this is the ads manager dashboard, right? If you come here, you can see we have account overview. This will give you an overview of the ad account. You see, like I said earlier, without creating a page, you cannot run ads. So if you come to overview, you would see the page that we've created, which is Gift Social Media Agency. We've added a payment method. So here we can now confirm this page that this ad account can run ads. It says here a page is required to run ads. It will appear in your ads as the brand of your business you're promoting. You have access to one or more pages. You choose from your full list of pages later. What that means is that you can use one ad account to run ads for several pages, right? So your Facebook account can be admin to several pages that you can now use connect to your ad account. As long as you are admin on those pages, you can be able to run ads for those pages. So we're just going to come here and confirm access to this page. So this is the overview of our ad accounts, and then this is the campaigns. Campaigns is the section where you actually create this ad, which is where we was before we deleted the first campaign. This is where you actually create your ads. And ad reporting, this is where we can get the details about the ad report of past ads we have run. Like you can see, there's no data here because we have not run any ads, and this is a brand new ad account. Here audiences, I'm going to go into this later, but we have several type of audiences: custom audiences, a lookalike audiences, and a saved audience. So going forward, I'm going to tell you about this, and I'm going to show you how to create a custom audience, a lookalike audience, and a saved audience that you can always use to run your ads. And then advertising settings. So these are basically the settings, that the area where you can do some setups for your ad. You can see Advantage Creative Plus. I'm going to explain all this. Audience segmentation. There are a lot of stuff that I'm going to show you, but I'm just going to show you the basics of things that you need to know, because when we talk about running ads and the ads manager, it can be really quite complex. And aside from the basic knowledge you will need to comfortably run ads that we convert for business owners, there are some advanced knowledge, like the pixel and so on when it comes to running of ads, right? But I'm going to be showing you everything you would need to be able to successfully run ads for business owners. If you come here, you see billing and payment. This is where we add funds. So for example, you already have an ad account. When you clicked on ads manager, I already brought you to this dashboard, and you want to add funds, you don't know how to go about it, or you already added funds while creating your ad account, and now you want to run ads and you want to add more money to your ad account. It's easy. You just come to billing and payment here, and you just click on add funds. Once you click on add funds, you just choose how much you want to add. Make sure you always click Naira payment with Master or Visa card, right? Because what you have now is a prepaid ad account. As you can see here, prepaid balance. You have a prepaid ad account because we are using PayU. So never make the mistake of adding a card as a payment method. Always use PayU. If not, you are going to have or run into issues, right? So, and here you come to all tools. This is the ad manager, which is where we are right now. Ad reporting, audiences, I've showed you all this. This is events manager. This is on the more advanced area where you create your pixel, set up events on websites and landing pages, and where you can also do most of the monitoring and tracking, right? So this business settings. So on the ads manager, you can create a business manager. Under a business manager, you can be able to create more ad accounts. You can be able to have access to more pages, right? So if you want to successfully be running ads for clients, you will need a business account, because we only have one ad account here, which is the ad account that comes with um, your Facebook account itself. So if we're going to create more ad accounts, we will need to create a business account, right? So I'm going to be showing you how you can do that as we go forward. When we talk about creating other ads accounts, I'm going to show you how you can do all that, right? So for now, I'm sure you can navigate through the ads manager. You can be able to add payments, and I'm sure you now understand the structure of the ads manager, and I'm sure you can now create your own ad account. So let's say you're already here, you already have an ad account, but this particular ad account you have is already is disabled and you cannot use it, and you want to create a new ad account. How do you go about it? As we go forward, I'm going to show you exactly how you are going to do that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for paying attention. If you do not understand anything, kindly go back and rewatch the video and you will get everything that you need to get. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.